Luminus Devlog 2 icons and project files. So yeah, let's get into the meat. Welcome back. If you haven't seen the first part, go see it. Now, templates. How do they work? Well, you have an XML file. In that file, well, guess what you have? That's right, code. And in the code, we can store a bunch of stuff for our project, right? And then all of that stuff, as you can see in the background, we can feed that into the game engine, and then the game engine can give us a bunch of options, right? Yeah, that's the basic template that we're gonna use on Luminus, right? So let's get right into that. Also, you may have been wondering, why did I just start uploading out of the green? I don't know, to be honest. But hey, I'm uploading, so yeah. Here we're making the class for the new project. It's not really that complicated, to be honest. You just basically set a bunch of variables, strings, integers. I mean, usually you use a path, not really. Integers aren't really used yet, but they may be used for the version. So yeah, you basically use an if statement, and then once something is changed, that's basically how you update the project and how you create the project. Simple stuff, terrible at explaining it, so yeah, I'm sorry about that. Anyways, here I'm making the menu, trying to make the menu communicate with the code, which is much more complicated than you may think, or it's just that I'm stupid. One of these two, I'm not sure. Anyway, so yeah, some alignment is just fixed. Okay, so right here I'm just setting up the project. It's fine, setting up the path. But there is an issue. I'm bad at drawing. And to make icons, you kinda need to draw. So I faced my arch nemesis. Okay, so as you can see here, I'm starting with a base. Then I tried to make an outline, and then I used the stupidest font to kind of create this wannabe icon. I mean, it's not my favorite, but to be honest, you aren't paying for the engine, right? So this is how I made the icons, and then for the background I opened Panzoid and I just took a screenshot. So then I tried to adapt that into photos. We have 2D, top down, and first person. Wow. Anyways, now to implement that, back to code. As you can see, I'm leaving these to do, so I can later export them to an export to a log file. Yeah, here's some more of that. You know, it's kind of tedious. It's not easy. Here is the XML file, and yeah, after a long time of configuring, and let me tell you, it wasn't easy. It's not as you see it here. I'm making it look easy, but it's not, right? Here I'm setting up the icon paths that basically connect the icons that I just screenshotted and made into the game. Now, how does the engine know how the file works? Well, it's actually quite simple, to be honest. It's not that complicated. So imagine you have the file, right? Again, the template. You have the engine and something like a clipboard and a folder, right? And so you take the template and you pump it to the engine, or the engine requests it, or whatever. You get the point. And the engine copies it to the clipboard, like puts it inside, and then it steals the clipboard and stuffs it in the game folder, like literally puts it in there. And that's kind of the basic structure. So now that we have the folder with the game, we can do a bunch of stuff, whatever we want. Yeah. So now that we have the folder with the game, it's kind of time to implement it. So how do we do that? Also, sorry for my mic, it's clipping. I don't know why. So how do we do that? Well, it's simple. You don't. But I did it anyways. Don't ask me how this thing works. I have no idea how it works. I don't even. I think I watched a tutorial. I don't remember. But as you're gonna see later, it seems like it's working for now. Uh, so, moment of truth. I just finished the code, and ready? Ta-da! We have the project browser. You can select the project, and the background changes. That's about it. So yeah, and also you have the name and the path pre-coded in there. Yeah, it's kind of cool. Anyways, thanks for watching, I guess. Uh, please like and subscribe. I I guess that's the second fine video that I've uploaded, and yeah, hope you like it. See ya next time then. Bye.